Biaheza is the king of controversy.
We can try and transform here.
They say we increase the wage gap.
Exploiting subscribers for trade ideas prank. Gotcha.
Let's go through his videos and dissect how you can implement this in your dropshipping business, especially with TikTok Organic, but also how to make creatives on Facebook and TikTok ads which actually go viral and just convert 1,000 times better.
Welcome to my realistic day in the life as an 8-figure, 12-year-old day trader. Every day I usually wake up around 2 a.m. Today I decided to sleep in a little. First thing I do after waking up is make some coffee and go for a run. Feeling a little tired today, so I just did a light jog and then we're headed straight to the gym. Gary V motivational speech on, quick back workout, some deadlifts, hoop sesh, shower, and we're headed to the office. At this point, it's 6 a.m. Pacific time. The market opens in 30 minutes. So I begin by checking up on my clan and collecting some gold and elixir. 6:30 a.m. I see a big dipper formation on the AMD stock, so I go in with some options. While I wait for that position to hit my take profit, I go ahead and cook up some breakfast in the kitchen, come back to a $4,000 loss on that AMD position. I then quickly go into a few more trades here to make all that money back, but we hit another $7,000 loss on Neo stock, so a total loss of about $11,000 for the day. I'd say that's a little better than usual for me.
All right, so much things to cover here. Obviously, let's face it, this video is amazing. You don't even understand how many things about this video are perfect. And guess what? On YouTube Shorts, he got like 4.5 million views on this. Just think about this. He got the 4.5 million views on this video because the video was so good. It's replicatable. Just think about this. It's not luck. It's not because he has this amazing, huge channel. It's because the video is a banger. And everybody can do this and sell something while doing a video like this. Let's go through it step by step.
Welcome to my realistic day in the life as an 8-figure, 12-year-old day trader.
He instantly starts out, welcome to my realistic day in the life as a 8-figure, 12-year-old day trader. He says 8-figure day trader, shows 9-figure day trader.
As an 8-figure, 12-year-old day trader.
Says he's 12 years old because obviously this whole video is an entire over-exaggeration. And the fact that he's over-exaggerating so much just makes the video so funny. But he on purpose puts mistakes in there. He says 8 figures, puts in 9. People are going to comment about this instantly.
Every day I usually wake up around 2 a.m. Today I decided to sleep in a little. First thing I do after waking up is make some coffee and go for a run. Feeling a little tired today, so I just did a light jog.
Feeling a little tight today, so I just did a light jog. Has 26 miles in there. Those things, again, everybody's commenting about.
And then we're headed straight to the gym.
Headed straight to the gym, drives the car. He says he was 12 years old, drives a car. Everybody's gonna comment on it.
Gary V motivational speech on, quick back workout, some deadlifts.
Quick back workout just destroys his entire back. Everybody's gonna comment about this. This is a pattern which everybody should use.
Hoop sesh, shower, and we're headed to the office. At this point, it's 6 a.m. Pacific time. The market opens in 30 minutes. So I begin by checking up on my clan and collecting some gold.
Showing the time, but just having like Jeff Bezos as the background. It's literally, you can replicate something like this very simply. To have a weird background on your phone or on your desktop while filming something else. Here, he filmed the clock. Like, he was basically saying what time it is. He could have just filmed the clock to show what time it is, but he specifically decided to show a background as well so people can comment, and also it's just way more entertaining.
6:30 a.m. I see a big dipper formation on the AMD stock, so I go in with some options. While I wait for that position to hit my take profit, I go ahead and cook up some breakfast in the kitchen, come back to a $4,000 loss on that AMD position. I then quickly go into a few more trades here to make all that money back, but we hit another $7,000 loss on Neo stock, so a total loss of about $11,000 for the day. I'd say that's a little better than usual for me.
And then basically ending the whole thing by losing a shit ton of money and saying it's a pretty good day. This is a very common format which we've seen on TikTok Organic, where you, for example, say, I have an indestructible product, look, it doesn't break, and it literally breaks, or something along those lines can constantly be done where you say something which is exactly the opposite of what you show. It's literally a genius video. Everything about this is perfect. Also, look how amazing the entire storyline was done. It's a very clear day, and it's just step by step by step by step what happens throughout it. And the clearer the storyline, the better.
Realistic day as a 20-year-old 4-figure Shopify dropshipper. Today I woke up bright and early, got straight into a light workout and a hoop sesh per usual, then a few alpha male tips videos while I'm in the sauna. On my way out, I post a story of this Jeep my dad rented for the weekend, and I do that just to get people motivated. I'm all about giving back. After giving my dad's keys back, I take my boss's car and head straight to the office. Starting my workday off by posting some results to my story. Again, I'm just all about giving back, inspiring, and motivating people. I then steal a few Instagram advertisements reviews from established brands and work on blurring out their logos. Had a falling out with my VA last week, so while I look for a new one, I'm also handling some of the customer support and replying to customer reviews. I then spend 2 to 3 hours with Facebook customer support trying to convince them to unban some of my ad accounts. Then I handle some more just business emails, reach out to a few new influencers to set up some ads for my store this month, and that's my...
I mean, again, this is just so good. Keep in mind, he did the same exact thing twice. Literally, it's the same video, but he just redid it in a little bit of a different format from day trader to dropshipper because he saw it worked really well the first time. Again, something you should always do. See something working, repeat, repeat, repeat. There's just so many things to unpack here. In the beginning, he says 20-year-old 4-figure dropshipper basically made anywhere between $1,000 and $9,000, but shows an 800K screenshot, and then also reveals his name on Shopify, and it's Biaheza, where obviously nobody knows his real name, and he just out of nowhere throws in there that his name is Vlad. Also literally reveals the product by just swiping over the name of the product and showing a huge screenshot, which is like the massage gun. And again, all of those things get people to comment. Obviously also putting in the jokes with a car and stuff like that, and also then being on the phone with Mark Zuckerberg, and then having a crazy amount of celebrities in his DMs that all say that he scammed them with shoutouts. And if you read those messages, which by the way, people will pause and read or rewatch the video just to pause and read the thing, you're gonna basically see how everybody's basically pissed that he scammed them. Here's what I want you to understand. He can pull all of this off because his product is him. He is a personal brand. He's selling him as a person. This is a huge difference to products. Because if you sell yourself, by far the best way to do it is OnlyFans. No, but what he's actually doing, he basically is promoting his personal brand by going viral for being funny. This is not always something you can replicate with a normal product. Because in the product, you want to sell the product. Nobody really cares about the creator, as long as you don't create a personal brand which promotes the product then, which is a different story. But if you want to make sales, you need to go viral for the right reasons. For him, he actually does go viral for the right reasons, and everybody in the dropshipping or day trading niche will think that is hilarious because it's very relatable for them, and that's the right audience. But for example, for you, if you sell a dog product and you want to promote things for dog owners, and then you have Jeff Bezos as the background and everybody in the finance niche comments about that, it's a discrepancy in niches. The audience is going to be completely messed up if you do things which are not good for your niche. So you need to be very careful with controversy. And if you want to go viral for the right reason is this: the product is so good that the video goes viral because of how amazing the product is. And this could be an example.
When I see you, I go nuts. Please, baby girl, let me touch on them coconuts. Let me get the milk with a cocoa puff. Feeling kind of freaky.
All right, so if you want us to review the products you actually select and tell you this is a good product, this is a bad product, this video is good, this is bad, improve this about this video, and give you very specific advice about everything you do and give you step-by-step guidance on how to pick the right product, go viral, and start making sales, and then get the sales on a very consistent level. If you're interested in those things, click the link below, sign up for a call with me, and we're gonna find out if we're a good fit to work together.